Alright guys, here's a video of me changing the oil in my R. Should be 8 of these T25s. Okay. This is the oil filter housing. Okay, I'll just loosen that. Drain plug right here. Oh, got that shit. Wow, this thing barely missed.
I know, I saw.
Barely made it. Okay. Shit. Oh, okay. Should be clean, right? If anything, the filter housing will take care of it. Shit in. This in place. Take our new oil filter. Top, bottom, no difference, I think. Alright, checking under the car. Should be no leaks at this point. Drain plug is good. Oil filter housing. All good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the car, and then we're gonna just add enough oil. And keep checking the dipstick, add oil, check dipstick, rinse and repeat.